Well, first of all, I'm extremely excited to be here. First of all, L'Oréal Paris, this is my third year that I'll be walking at Cannes. And this year I am doing the opening ceremony, which is extremely, extremely exciting for me. Also, it's 100 years of Indian cinema, and that's why we're having such a big press conference to announce the fact that I'll be walking the opening ceremony. And every year, everybody asks me, what am I going to wear? What am I going to wear? I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to wear, but there are 6 options of what makeup I might do. So out of one of these will be a preview of, I'll be walking for 2 days, and out of this, 2 of the looks I will be wearing on the red carpet. Not the clothes, just the makeup, and possibly the hair. So I'm very excited. Namrata has done a brilliant job designing the looks, and the Law Sunset collection is outstanding. I am wearing, black and gold from the collection on my eyes, and I'm wearing this stunning nail polish also from the collection, and the lipstick as well. So I'm very, very excited about it. So, you know, you can ask me more questions or...
Thank you, Sonam. Thank you so much. Yeah. We're looking forward to seeing you carrying off the Law Sunset looks at the red carpet.
Thank you.
And I'm sure our friends from the press have a lot of questions to address. So may I please open the forum for question and answers? Yes, please raise your hand. We'll have a floating mic sent across. Please introduce yourself and pose your question to Sonam pertaining to the theme of the day, and no personal questions, please.
Sonam, hi, Rekha Khan, मैं BBT पे हूँ.
Hi Rekha. You know, अच्छा, you'll have to forgive me. मैंने चश्मे नहीं पहने हैं, तो मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. तो अगर आप थोड़ा आगे आ सकेंगे, please, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll just stand up 1 second.
जी, आप देख पा रही हैं मुझे? सोनम, मैं क्वेश्चन शुरू करूं?
हाँ जी, प्लीज.
सोनम, रांझना का लुक बहुत ही सुपर्ब है. और मैं आपसे ये जानना चाह रही हूँ, आपने कहा कि आप रिवील नहीं करेंगे कि आप क्या पहनेंगे, लेकिन प्लीज इतना आइडिया जरूर दीजिए कि इंडियन होगा, क्योंकि आप एक फैशन आइकॉन है और अब तक मतलब आपने इंडियन वेयर वहाँ पर नहीं पहना है.
That is not true.
Okay.
I wear Indian. There are always 2 events. 2 रेड कार्पेट होते हैं कैन में, और if you all don't mind ना, मैं हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ. तो 2 इवेंट होते हैं. यूजुअली मैं एक इंडियन आउटफिट पहनती हूँ. I've made it a point. पहले साल मैंने मसाबा पहना था, फिर दूसरे साल मैंने अनामिका पहना था. अब मैं क्या पहने? I will wear one Indian outfit for sure, especially, or more than one even. I don't know.
तो साड़ी होगी वो?
मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ. I want to be a surprise for myself also, because मुझे भी नहीं पता कैसे लगे.
अच्छा, इतना बता सकती हैं कि वो रांझना से कुछ रिलेटेड होगा उस लुक से?
जी, रांझना में तो मैं रांझना में it's Zoya's character. That is not Sonam at all, but बहुत ही small town लड़की हैं, traditional लड़की हैं, and I definitely can't wear 2 chotis and go to Cannes.
ओके, तो सोनम, एक सवाल मैं और आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि जितना हम आपसे मिले हैं,
हाँ जी,
और जितना आपके बारे में जानते हैं,
हाँ जी,
वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पॉइंट कौन सा था एक नॉर्मल लड़की से एक फैशन आइकॉन बनने का?
जी, ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन तो आपने किया है. बिकॉज मैंने अपने आप को कभी आइकॉन समझा नहीं है, फैशन आइकॉन. लोगों को मेरे कपड़े पसंद है जो मैं पहनती हूँ. आई जस्ट फील लाइक मैं कपड़े जो पहनती हूँ, आई वेयर इट बिकॉज आई एन्जॉय वेयरिंग दोज क्लोथ्स, एंड आई थिंक पीपल अंडरस्टूड कि आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू बी समथिंग दैट आई एम नॉट, एंड आई थिंक पीपल आइडेंटिफाइड, यंग गर्ल्स आइडेंटिफाइड विद इट. So I think that's why, but I've always been a normal girl, as normal as I can be, growing up in this industry.
Thank you, Rekha.
Hi, Sonam.
Hi.
Sonam, this is Raj from media.
Hi, Raj.
And, yeah, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And we are celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. When we compare Indian cinema with the world cinema, where our Indian cinema stands?
Honestly, I just think कि जो हमारी जो सिनेमा है वो बहुत ही we've got a lot of emotion involved in our cinema. There's like, it's a very emotional, I think Indian cinema is very emotional. The world is getting very, very small. So I don't know if we stand anywhere. I think now it's become world cinema. But at the same time, we are the only cinema which we have our own identity. There's always a different style to Indian cinema, you know, to Indian films. A lot of people don't like the word Bollywood, but I love the word Bollywood. And I think I revel in the fact that there's song, and then there's dance, and there's drama, and then there's, you know, like in Ranchna, there's Holi, and then there's crying, and there's this, and there's that. I love the whole drama in it. So I feel we bring in the emotional quotient in world cinema where Indian cinema is concerned. And that's why it's sustained for 100 years. Hi, Lipika. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm extremely emotional. That's why I always get into trouble with you guys. Not with you guys, because y'all just say I'm an extremely emotional person. I'm very transparent. Too emotional for my own good.
This is Vijay Shankar here. You can see me, right?
Yes, I can see you kind of. I can see your hand like that.
That's because I'm a classical dancer as well.
Oh, hi. Hi. Sorry, I'm going to see him.
Should I stand?
Yeah, please. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah, Sonam, what's your concept of beauty? How would you define beauty?
Well, first of all, I've also been a classical dancer from the age of 4. I've been learning Kathak from Jaipur and Lucknow Gharana under the tutelage of Uma Dogra ji.
Yes, I know her.
You know her. Yeah. And so for me, beauty is actually always something that actually reflects from inside. Because I have seen Birju Maharaj perform. I'm just going to give you an example. And he has transforms himself in the most beautiful woman when he's performing on stage. And I think it's what expression comes from inside, and what beauty it reflects on your face when there's a reflection of emotion. So I feel emotions, whether they are whatever emotions they are, I think they make a person beautiful. So I think that if you look at me, I'm an ordinary looking girl, but I think when I smile, I look different, and I look prettier, and I look nicer, because it's an emotion that's reflecting on my face. So I think that's what it is. I think the person you are inside